सर मेरे दादी
सरस्वती
सर मेरे दादी मेरे दादी लगी ना लाडू अम्मा दादी बिना रोने सकती ना मेरे दादी लगी
What is your dream? What is your plan? Why do you want to go?
सिलेक्सन टाइम में इंटरव्यू भेल छलै न पूछने छलै ओकरा कथि बने के हो तो ड्रीम कथि हो कथि पूरा करबी सबै चीज सपना सबके बात भेल छलै
And he told me, I want to go, I want to make experience, I want to study, I want to make change here in Janakpur.
आनंद करने छलै कि हम बाहर जायला चाहै छी पैसा कमा के आबि के सब पढ़ि लिख के आबि के जनकपुर में चेंज करब चाहै छी परिवर्तन करब चाहै छी
I want to learn, I want to expose, I want to see different things, and I want to bring it here to the family, to the community.
उतर जाकर कुछ नया चीज सब सीख करके आबि के अपन समाज में केना लागू करबे से ओकर सपना छै
And he had dreams, all the good ones.
सबै चीज तो सपने देखी अभी मैंने
और सपना चले पर्यावरण के लिए बहुत गाछ रोपी
ड्रीम वाज टू वर्क इन एनवायरमेंट सेक्टर
to plant a lot of trees.
And I visited the place, his room, where everything.
लास्ट महीना गेल छलखिन जाए जे घटना भेलै तऽ गेल छलखिन जे रूम में घटना से भेलै
And I met with the rescue team that came to release them to freedom.
रेस्क्यू टीम रही पुलिस सब लोग आर्मी के ओकरा सबसे भेटले सब बात केलकै
But when they came, it was too late.
जब पहुँचले लेट हो गए
I also met the 3 wounded. Himanchal, Prabin, in the hospital. They're recovering slowly. They'll tell me all the story. I am in touch. Virendra Chaudhary and Dan Rauder. And I hear all the... This was on this garden. This is from Israil. I gotta go, man. Wonderful family. It's very difficult to visit and to give comfort to the family, to his father, to his mother, to the sisters, to the grandmother, to all the family. I knew Ananda. I met him. I met him during the day of the interviews. I was not having the interview. The interview was in the room, and I had time. So I was speaking with him. Ananda, what is your dream? What is your future? Why you want to go to Israel? A young, energetic boy. He told me, Ambassador, I want to go to Israel to upgrade, to learn, to expose, and to bring to my community, to make the change here in Janakpur, in Dhanusha. He had so much hope to do. And then one day, the terrorists came, Hamas came, and murdered him for nothing. For nothing. He's not involved, he's a young boy, he wants to upgrade. Ananda came to Israel as our guest. He came to Israel as the guest. But after this, what happened? That he was murdered by Hamas. He is our family forever. The government of Israel, the Israel Insurance will help the family every month, to the father and to the mother, forever. They will get the Israeli support every month. And we will remember them because they are our family. And this is difficult. I really hope that things are going to improve. We lost a lot of people. We lost 10 Nepalis. We lost 1,400 Israelis. We still have 103 people hostages in Hamas. One of them is Nepali, Bipin Joshi. He's not involved. He's still kidnapped. 5 months, almost 6 months now. We will never forget, and we will do everything to bring the hostages and to find the terrorists. And we will find the terrorists.